Hello guys, handugan ko kayo ng isang a cappella song mula sa Amerika, ang All My Life. Ayan, medyo hagad ang mukha natin dito at wala pa akong mga video para ma-cover sa aking mga a cappella, kaya pagpasensyahan nyo muna ang aking pagmumukha. Ayan, isasalpa ko muna sa inyo ang aking mukha, guys. Ayan, simulan ko na at hindi po ako tunay na singer. Ito isang a cappella song lang. All my life, without a doubt I give you all my life, now and forever till the day I die. You and I will share all the things this changing world can offer, so I sing. I'll be happy just to stay this way, spend each day with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun did shine. We started on our way. I do recall that every moment spent was wasted time, but then I choose to lay it on the line. I put the past away. I put the past away. Put the past away. Ito yung handog ko para sa inyong lahat, guys. Ayan, hindi po ako tunay na singer. Kagigising ko lang. Ito, medyo haggard pa ang aking pagmumukha. Pagpasensya niyo po sana. Ayan. Basta ako ito, ako ito. All my life, I will carry you through all my life. Between each hour of the passing days, I will stay with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun did shine. We started on our way. I do recall that every moment spent was wasted time, but then I choose to lay it on the line. I want this all my life. 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 Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next record. I love you all and God bless. Ito'y mula sa Amerika. Ayan, ang awiting ito mula sa Amerika, ang All My Life. Ayan, sana naibigan nyo ang aking, sintonadong boses. Ayan. And bye for now. I love you all and God bless.